friends, welcome to my garden. Today I am in my garden trying to pot some strawberries that aren't looking so great. They are quite sad, and these pots are I bought these beautiful proven winner strawberries. This one is called Berried Treasured Red. It is beautiful strawberry plant which has these gorgeous red blooms, and it says deadheading is not necessary, and it has one second, let me just focus on this. So it's heat tolerant, continuous bloom or rebloomer, and it is a short height variety which is about 12 to 16 inches, and it needs minimum 8-inch spacing, and it has a mounded habit. So it can be grown in containers or in the landscape, and it's an annual except in zones 4A to 9B. So it's quite hardy up to zone 4A. So it's going to be super hardy in my climate because I garden in zone 6. Sometimes it can go till zone 5B or if we have a really harsh winter, but more or less this should do okay for me in a container. So I bought these baskets a while ago, but these plants have been really struggling because I think the soil isn't the best in these containers. And this is the other variety. This one is called, I think this is the pink one. I don't know if I kept the tag for this one, but I think this is a similar proven winners variety, but it's got pink flowers. So what I'm doing regardless today is I'm actually going to pot them up in this beautiful old rustic container that I have. I'm going to put some fresh soil and just clean up these baskets and just put it in some fresh soil, give it some fertilizer, and put them in this container for the rest of the summer season. And it's been a project that I've been wanting to do, but I haven't had a chance to find the right container for it, and it's just been something that I've been ignoring, and I would hate to see these plants, as you can see with all the drought that we are having, no rain, I would hate for these to kind of die. So my goal today is mission save these strawberries and plant them in a much more richer kind of soil and a better container so that they can grow for the rest of the season and I can harvest lots of berries from it. So I'm going to get this potted, and the soil that I'm going to be using is just a simple garden soil. So this one is a mix. It's ideal for vegetables and shrubs, trees, lawns, and flower gardens. So it's a multi-purpose garden soil. So that's what I'll be using, and will be giving it a fertilizer as well today. So I just want to kind of take you along and show you what this is going to look like once I'm done transplanting them in this beautiful container, and I'll show you when it's all done. So here it is. I have repotted these strawberries in this new container, and I feel so much better having accomplished this small task which I've been procrastinating for a few weeks now. And it's just something that was in the back of my mind, but I just kept putting it off, and then I just had to do it today. And I just do you have tasks like these in your garden that you have to get done, but you haven't done it yet, but they nag you? So this is one of the things in my garden that has been bothering me for a few days now, and I feel so much better having done this. Although it just took me only 10 to 15 minutes to get this done, it just feels so awesome. So let me know in comments below if you've been procrastinating on a simple task in your garden that will not require too much time but needs to be done. I would love to hear from you, because I have been struggling with this in the past week because it's been so hot, and although I've been enjoying my garden and I've been trying to water and keep things going, just handling small things like this is just hasn't been motivating. So I feel so much better today having tackled this small job in my garden, and it feels awesome. So I'm going to give these plants a bit of fertilizer and some water, and just let them get used to this new container, and in no time they should flush out new blooms and new leaves and berries for me. So I'm excited to have this little job done. And I actually removed all of the dried flowers, dried leaves, and all of that is kind of removed from this those pots. It was really dry, the soil, very root bound, and I feel so much better having done this today. And I think the berries will, the plants will be overall happy. They will stay a lot more hydrated in this pot because the soil is better, and it's looser, and it's going to be easier for the new roots to form and develop. So I'm still going to kind of keep cleaning up any of the old dried leaves, and just keep an eye on the water level over the next few days. It's going to be a scorcher here with no rain, so I feel so much better replanting these. So with that, I wanted to thank you so much for watching this video with me and coming along with me as I tackle this little job in my garden, and thanks for joining me today. I'll catch you in my next video.